Hi guys, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Jasmine. I love to do store vlogs, decorating, and little lifestyle videos. Now for today's video, I am gonna be decorating and sprucing up my bedroom. It's a must right now. It's really not the best looking. It's bare and I just want to add some touches. And I'm gonna be working with this brand named Hymela, and they have lamps, lighting, and it is to the T. I went on their website and Instagram and they wanted to collab with me, and I'm gonna share the lamps I'm gonna be using for this video and how I install them. I just want this room to feel extra cozy for summer, and who's ready for summer, guys? I know a lot of you guys are. Now sit back and relax and enjoy this video. As you can see, everything is bare, and I wanted to add some lighting because I feel like that's what gives it a cozy ambiance. But first I'm gonna be switching these sheets, having a nice refresh because summer is here and that's what I need. Okay, so I'm gonna be opening up one so you guys could see how everything will look like. So what's cool about this brand Hymela is that it comes with its own light bulb. Usually if you order lamps, the light bulb does not come included, which is so cool. It's an antique Edison bulb, and look at this beautiful lampshade. I love the details on it. It really does have that bohemian, either farmhouse look, and it's very modern. I really love this. Now let me show you guys the base of this. The base is so pretty and lovely. Now this is the base right here, and as you can see in the back, it has a rechargeable battery, so no cords, no plugins. You just have to basically just charge this, so you could move this in and out very easy, no worry. And then here is the on button. How cool is this? And it's so easy to install. Like, you literally just have to give this a twist and then add it here to this little lampshade, and it's that easy. Just flip it over and give it another twist right here. And there you guys go. Look how beautiful this is. So right here, you're just gonna basically stick it in here and then connect it to this, and this is what's gonna light up your lamp. And then each of these lamps has their own rechargeable battery, which is awesome. And then it has the little USB. Now what's cool about this company, it came with this Ziploc, and it has like even the instructions. It has this little sticky so you can know where to add the nails to it, the little screws. And here are the instructions. I think it's plain and simple. right, let's turn it on. So pretty. Okay, I'm excited now, so let's install the next lamp right over there. How nice. Okay, this is how it looks with it off. I can't believe it. This just gives it a nice touch to this bedroom. Very cozy and inviting. All I need is to do some decorating right here in my nightstand and a little bit right here in my desk. Nothing big. I feel like the big statement is on top of my headboard, which is the lamps. Very nice and cozy. You can install these lamps literally anywhere and have it very displayed lovely. Like, I'm thinking of adding them to the living room, the coffee bar. So many choices, but I think my bedroom was somewhere I really needed to spruce it up, and these lamps are perfect here. I love the lamps behind me. It gives me an extra glow. Okay guys, and that is gonna be it with today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this nice little refresh styling decorating video. To install these lamps were so easy. It literally took maybe like 5 minutes on each, and that's perfect because I don't like things that take long to install, and I don't know, I just don't have the patience. So Hymela is doing a great job, and I'm gonna have everything in the description box. So hashtag Hymela. So if you guys want to use a discount, I'll be on my description. And I'm thinking of adding this even to the living room, even the coffee bar, like the list goes on. And once again, thank you Hymela for this collab. And that's gonna be it with today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. With all that said, have a nice and sunny day.